me and you were confused about the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA, you've come to the right place. I'm going to go over the differences between the two and show you which one could be better for you. IRAs are individual retirement arrangements. You can open up a new account within minutes on your phone, going to Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, or any other well-established firms. They typically offer accounts with commission-free trades, so you won't be charged any fees for your investments.
Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the best day of my life!
Starting an IRA is the best way to kickstart your retirement savings for free. In both IRAs, you control this investment, not your work, not your employer, not a 401k, and not that financial guy you hire because he probably won't get you as good of returns.
You son of a bitch!
And best of all, it won't be in a mutual fund that'll be killing you with fees.
Thanks for the good news.
You can invest the money any way you see fit. And if you follow the guidance of all the greatest investors in the past century, if you simply buy a low-cost index fund, an ETF like SPY or VOO, you'll get an average return of just under 10% per year for the rest of time. And it's this compounding interest that can make you and your heirs wealthy for generations. The key is you're investing in your IRA consistently, putting in the same amount month over month. And that's the key to all of this. The sooner you start saving for retirement and investing in low-cost ETFs, the longer you'll take advantage and utilize compounding interest in time. Through dollar cost averaging and saving the same amount of money every month, you'll set yourself on track for a wonderful retirement. So with an IRA, the maximum contribution is $6,000 per year per person, and $7,000 if you're 50 years old or older.
And that ain't bad.
The goal is to try and get in that $6,000 a year. Think about it like it's $500 a month. It's a bit challenging and it takes discipline, but in the end, you can completely transform your retirement savings. Let me show you these eye-opening results. If we look here in the Everything Money Retirement Calculator, simply saving $6,000 a year from the age of 25 to 65, it can grow to over $2.8 million.
Good! Remarkable!
But you've only actually contributed $240,000 over these 40 years. And if you're lucky to start when you're 20 years of age, you could have $4.6 million.
Keep talking.
Even a teenager with a summer job can start doing this. Couple this with your spouse's retirement savings, and the two of you could really be flossing. But sadly, if you wait 10 years to start investing, this will cost you over $1 million in retirement savings. So you gotta get going on this. But which account is better for you, the traditional or the Roth? Let's get into it. The differences in these accounts simply involve taxes. The money you put in to a traditional IRA goes in tax-free. In essence, you don't pay tax on the money as it's going in, but rather you pay taxes on the money as you pull it out and as you withdraw it once you hit the age of 59.5 years old. You might invest in a traditional IRA if you expect to make less money in the future.
No, don't like that.
You'll avoid paying taxes now and you'll just pay them later. So the money you withdraw from your retirement account functions like income, like a normal job you'd pay taxes on. Now with a Roth IRA, it's completely different. You contribute after-tax money as it goes into your account. I get paid for my job, I pay taxes on it, and then I put the money into a Roth. This way, when I withdraw the money during retirement when I need it, I don't pay any taxes on it. Another difference between these two accounts is the mandatory withdrawals. With a Roth IRA, you never actually have to take it out.
Oh, well, that's just lovely.
You can even just pass the money down to your heirs tax-free. But if you have a traditional IRA, there is a mandatory withdrawal at the age of 72. And of course, Uncle Sam always wants to get his hands on some of that money. Now keep in mind, your eligibility to contribute to a Roth IRA is based on your current income level. If you file taxes as a single person, your modified adjusted gross income must be under $140,000 for the tax year of 2021 and $144,000 for the tax year of 2022. And if you're married filing jointly, your adjusted income must be under $208,000 for 2021 and $214,000 for 2022. Anyone can invest in a traditional IRA, but not everyone can invest in a Roth.
Great, it's gym class all over again.
Both the traditional and the Roth allows you to save that $6K a year and build up for a great retirement. Personally, my wife and I both use Roth IRAs. I'm okay with paying my taxes now on my earned income and sending Fidelity a check every year for the $12,000 that covers both of us. We actually do it all at once. We do it after Christmas in January, and we're kind of in a spending mode, so we just send it off. Sometimes we even sell random things on eBay to fund this contribution. For us, it's very rewarding to know that we're committed to something that's greater than us and that we're preserving a wonderful future for ourselves and our kids.